In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Glassdoor account permanently. If you've decided you no longer want your profile, your reviews, or your data associated with Glassdoor, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click step by step so you can close your account with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to glassdoor.com. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop because the layout is clearer and the options you need are easier to find, though the steps are very similar on mobile. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually want to delete. If you're not already logged in, click the sign in option and enter your usual login details. Once you're signed in and you're on the Glassdoor homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic profile symbol. Click on that profile icon to open your profile area. This is the main hub where you can manage your personal information, privacy options, and ultimately delete your account. After clicking the profile icon, you'll be taken to a page that shows an overview of your profile. Here, look for a small pencil icon. The pencil icon usually indicates edit options, and in this context, it lets you access more detailed settings. Click that pencil icon. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan near your name or profile section header. It's often placed close to your basic profile information. Clicking the pencil icon will reveal more in-depth profile controls. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation area with different sections you can manage. Among these options, find and click on Account Settings. This section is where Glassdoor keeps all the controls related to your login, account details, and overall account status. Go ahead and click Account Settings to open that page. Now you're in your account settings, and this is where you'll find the option to permanently delete your account. Scroll down through the settings page, moving past options like email, preferences, or general account information. Take your time here so you don't accidentally change something else. Near the bottom of the account settings page, you should see an option labeled Delete Account. When you see Delete Account, click on it. At this point, Glassdoor may show you a confirmation message asking you to verify that you really want to permanently delete your account. Read any message carefully so you understand what will happen. Deleting an account is generally permanent, and it may remove your profile and access to any saved content tied to that login. If you're sure you want to proceed, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deletion. Once you've confirmed, your Glassdoor account will be scheduled for permanent removal. That's all you need to do. By going to glassdoor.com, clicking your profile icon at the top right, selecting the pencil icon, opening account settings on the left, and then scrolling down to click Delete Account, you've successfully taken the steps required to close your Glassdoor account for good.